learn how to say no. Every single time somebody asks you, yeah. You don't feel like you want to say no.
I want somebody if you talk to come here go through depression.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is generation for TVJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I give me that no.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly, and today I'm back again with the next YouTube video. As you can see by the title on the thumbnail, today we'll be talking about certain things you have to start do for yourself, you know, like a time for it, do them something here.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you are new. And let's just get straight into it. No, we're not just get straight into it, because first of all, the subscribe free, no one enough if you don't understand why you not just feel like subscribe. This is literally the subscribe button. Let's press it together.
The shame when me hear me embarrassed.
Alright, let's just get straight to it now for you. Alright guys, so the first one is learn how to say no. You don't feel like you want to say no. Every single time somebody asks you, yeah. And you know you have to come out for your schedule, your time. If you plan to do something, you have to start with just to do that. It's okay, it's alright. Sometimes you can't just say no. You're not hurting nobody. It just like make people know say, okay, you stand for something. And that does not mean you're disrespectful in no type of way, but sometimes it's okay to say no. Alright guys, the next one is learn how to walk away from toxic relationship and toxic friendship. You know, so only part time I say, oh my gosh, we come from primary school, we come from grade 3, we come from 1932. It's okay, sometimes we need to walk away from toxic relationship, toxic friendship, everything that's toxic, just leave it alone. At times we'll be happy now and just smile, because as you can tell by the news and TikTok, only part toxic relationship and friendship end in a violent, either somebody lose their life because you say, oh, me not leave her alone, or me not leave him alone, or no. Sometimes you have to leave. Sometimes you have to leave, like, oh my gosh, leave now. You don't feel like you want to leave. Why you just there? Leave. I know it's kind of hard sometimes, but like seriously, this is your life. Especially if physical get into it, like you go cry and it's okay. Tell yourself, say, okay, I am hurt. Don't act like you're not hurt. You're hurt. You feel away about it. Your friendship, whatever it was, it's okay. You feel away about it, you feel bad, and you say, oh my gosh, we were so close, and look how that friendship end. Find something else fun. What if things in that world fun? You don't see your life big. You don't feel like you want to fly go to Jerusalem, fly go over Amboila, something fun. You don't feel like that? Me want to try, me want to go. You don't want to go, because me want to go. You don't want to go fun places. Like there's so much fun things to do. Like sometimes it's okay to leave people alone. The next one is remember your value. I know that you are not just any little commoners or anybody who just know your value. No make nobody play with you. Do not make nobody talk to you. Like know your values. You know your values. You know your values. Like literally know yourself. No say I am me and me is I. Don't make nobody play with you. Do not lie to yourself. Remember saying only honest person in this world is you to you. Because everybody will say, oh my gosh, you look nice today. I know. You know, so you look like you back on old tomato. Sorry, but if you have any type of insecurities, like may not say feel bad and choke off, you know, and see, but it's okay. Realize them, and if it's able to fix them. For example, if you want to go to the gym and fix certain things wrong with your body, or if me not like come my God, more eat more and gain little weight, okay, that's my issue. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie to myself and be like, oh my gosh, I'm so thick. Whole time I'm looking like a stick. Why would I lie? Why would I lie? Why would I lie? So if you know say you look like the back of one old bread, don't make nobody tell us, oh, you look like French toast. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. For real? You have one mirror, so you look before you leave. Just be very honest with yourself, be open up with yourself. You know you, talk to yourself. You have to just be honest with yourself and just you are you. Locked in, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Alright guys, the next one is start being more disciplined, because yes, you can be motivated to do something, but motivation can only last for a period of time. You might sit down and start and scroll and say, oh my gosh, this is a motivational video. I get motivated to do something, just motivated for a moment, then the motivation gone done. But if you're disciplined, you're gonna say every morning you wake up, you're gonna do willy bunks over mountains. So when you wake up, you're gonna do willy bunks over mountains. Be more disciplined. I know, so when you wake up, you're gonna do certain things. If I this year, I go to this year, I go to cause come on, time is literally going. You feel like time I go, you feel like time I wait for you, cause time not wait for me. Time not wait for me, no time not wait for me. Because I'm sick, because I feel bad. I think his son, I go calm down and say, oh my gosh, this girl is sick. Let's just wait until she feel better. No. Night I go come, son I go come again. What me I go do? What me I go literally, me not wait for time neither. So I'm just have to, you know, be disciplined and say, yo, at this I gotta get up and do it. You know what I'm saying? So start being more disciplined because time literally I go time not wait for nobody. Be disciplined. Like it's good to be motivated. Yes, me hear something to this, me get good motivation. Yes, irritated. But like when it's time to be disciplined, it's time to be disciplined. Oh, that's ugly. Never mind. I'm really think that look good. Alright guys, so the next one is go outside and meditate. Yes, sometimes we wake up and say, oh my gosh, we just move so fast. I was so busy where I do this, where I do that. When I get time to meditate and realize, oh my gosh, I am a human is me. Take time, realize that, oh my gosh, me up on earth. Sometimes go outside and sit down and nice sun and breathe in, breathe out. Realize you are here. You know, every day I run up and down. Are you a Sapa Powell? Are you Usain Bolt? Are you Shelly and Fraser? Price. Calm down. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to go outside, get some fresh air. Meditate is good. Meditation make you meditation. And application.
Hello.
I know you know that song. But meditation is very important. When you take time to meditate and you realize, alright, calm down, we can't do this, we can't do that. But when it is all over the place, you jumble up. Meditation come like earpod. When it all over the place, you come like earphone. Chaka and tie. I don't know if my example the moment I give even makes sense sometimes, but hopefully you understand what I'm just saying. Like, please understand. You understand? But yeah, like meditate, take time for yourself, breathe out, realize that you are human, I am human. You are human, we are humans. Next thing is take time with your response. Like nobody not rough. Well, I don't know, might be some people rough. But like take time with your response. It's always to take time and breathe in, breathe out and say, okay, if somebody asks you one question, ask you something, really think before you answer. Even if you are close or in an altercation with somebody else, just breathe in, breathe out, realize it's okay. Take as much time you want. What am I gonna thump you? Fish in your left eye? I never say take it well even in, but like really think before you talk. Me would rather sit down and wait for somebody I wait for me to respond to them than I just say something outrageous. When I look at me and say, oh my gosh, did she just say that? You guys, if you're still watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment. If I feel like you want to comment today. This is the last but not the least. The next one is showing how much you love your parents. Just showing affection to anybody you are close with. Because, oh my gosh, you might have said in your head, oh, I know I said, I love them, but them don't know that. Actually, I really do speak louder than words. So if I were you, I would start showing. And I said, even my little sister give me a cup of water, oh my gosh, me feel good. Like I said, oh my gosh, I never have to get up and go feed. Or even say, you can pass the charger for me. She actually passed the charger for me. That really means something. So yeah guys, hug up somebody today, kiss somebody on their cheek. Me don't know, hug them up, rub their head, pass them one cup of water, do something for somebody today. You never know if I just want hug them one. They never bother commit that suicide. It might sound crazy, but it's literally true. Some people just want one hug today. Some people just want, oh my gosh, you know, so pretty though. Hearing that come from somebody where they're close with means more than just one regular person on the street. Like you never know what littlest thing means to somebody. Even take your phone today right now and take somebody and say you are special, you are amazing. Oh my gosh, their life has changed. You never know. But guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The subscribe free. No money enough if you want to understand why you're here and you still have not subscribed. I'll be doing more of these videos. If you enjoy them, comment down below. And a little bit more later.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.